In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the uncategorized product category from your WordPress WooCommerce store. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by those lingering uncategorized items in your store, you're not alone. It's a common issue for many online store owners using WordPress with WooCommerce. But the good news is, it's an easy fix. Today, I'll guide you through some simple steps to tidy up your product categories and set a more organized merchandise display. Let's hop right into it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Products section on the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on Categories. This is where you manage all the product categories in your store. You may notice that every new product you add gets thrown into a category labeled Uncategorized if you don't assign it yourself. This is what we'll work on resolving today. First, let's create a new category. This will serve as the home for any products that don't naturally fit into your other specific categories. You might want to name it something like General or Main Collection, depending on what resonates with your shop's theme and organization style. Once you've decided on a name, type it into the designated field and hit the Add New Category button. You should see your fresh category appear immediately in the list. Now that you've got a new category, let's make it your default. Staying on the same Categories page, look for this new category, which you've just added. It may be listed somewhere near the bottom or possibly alphabetically, depending on how your site is set up. Hover over the name and you'll see different action options appear. One of these options is Make Default. By clicking on this, you're telling WooCommerce to assign any uncategorized products to this new category by default. With this change in place, we can move on to the last step, removing that pesky uncategorized category. Since it's no longer your default category, you're free to delete it without any hassle. Find Uncategorized in your category list. It may be near the top if it's still got products assigned to it. Just hover over the name and you'll see an option to delete. Click on that and then simply confirm the deletion when prompted. And that's it! You've successfully set a new default category and removed that unwanted uncategorized category from your WooCommerce store. With this housekeeping task complete, your store's products will be much more organized, which is sure to enhance your customers' shopping experience. Remember, staying organized not only helps you but makes it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Happy organizing!